Good afternoon to all. How are you? All of you celebrate your Onam well? Okay. I hope all are safe and stay your home. Let's start our topic. Today we will discuss new chapter when lines are joined. Second chapter when lines are joined. I told all of you ready for studying or ready for listening our class. All of you have an instrument box also. Okay. Today we will discuss the one geometry chapter. In this lesson, we will discuss some geometry figures. You know, or you are already studied that a smallest class. Which one? The triangles, rectangles, etc. You know, what is the difference between square and rectangle? Square and rectangle. Do you know how to draw a square? What is special about square? How many sides have square? Four side. How many? What is the special about that side? All sides are equal. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Four sides are equal. That shape is called a square. That model, another shape is rectangle. What is the special about rectangle and square? In the case of square, all sides are equal, but rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. These two figures have four sides. Okay. All of you know how can draw a square and a rectangle? Okay. Today we will discuss another name, quadrilateral. What is the name? Quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means one four-side closed figure. Four-side closed figure. That is called a quadrilateral. The different types of four-side shapes are included in quadrilateral. The two sides you already studied, square and rectangle. That model, another shapes also we want to study this year. Four side, three sides, and five side, and six side, and seven side shapes. Okay, we want to listen one video. What are the special about that sides, that shapes? Your textbook also these figures. What is the first figure? What is the name? Quadrilateral. What is the name? Quadrilateral. Want to study that spelling also. We want to study that spelling. What is the name? Quadrilateral. What is the special about that shape? How many side have? How many side? Four side. Four sides are equal or not? No, the opposite sides are equal. There have four sides. That closed shape is called a quadrilateral. What's the name? Quadrilateral. We want to tell one time with me. Tell quadrilateral. What's the name? Quadrilateral. How many sides have? Four side. Next listen, next picture. Count it. How many sides there have? How many side? Five side. What is the name of that figure? What is the name? Pentagon. What is the name? Pentagon. Want to draw your notebook also these figures. What is the name? Pentagon. How many sides there have? Five side. Next one. Another shape. What is the name of that shape? How many side have? Count it. How many side? Six side. What is the name? Hexagon. What is the name? Hexagon. Next one. Another shape. How many side? Seven. Seven side shape is called septagon. What is the name? Septagon. Next one. Eight shape. Eight side have. Eight corners have. That shape is called octagon. What is the name? Octagon. Next one. Octagon. Tell one time. Five side shape is pentagon. Six side hexagon. Seven septagon. Eight octagon. Three side shape. What is the name of three side shape? Three side shape. What is the name? Triangle. Already studied that triangle. One time. Three side triangle. Four side quadrilateral. Five side pentagon. Six side hexagon. Seven septagon. Eight octagon. Another name. More than side have that figures is called polygons. What's name? Polygons. Okay, all of you draw your notebook these figures and name want to study. This is a very important topic. Okay, next one. These are the some geometrical figures. These are the some geometrical figures. Some lines are joining. That time we got some different shapes. Different shapes. Three lines are joining time. You got one figure. What is the name? Three sides. Three lines are joining time. Triangle. Next one. Four lines are joining time. Quadrilateral. That quadrilateral including some other figures that is called rectangle, square, etc. Next one, five sided. Five lines are joining time. You got what is the name? Pentagon. Six hexagon. Seven septagon. Eight octagon. Okay, these are the very important figures you want to study well. Write down that names also. Next one, your geometry box. Another some tools have. Which are the tools you know? Already you know. What is the scale? What is the use of scale? Drawing lines. Next one, compass. What is the use of compass? Drawing circle. Next one another tool is divider. You know what is the use of that divider? That measure the distance. What is the use? Measuring distance. Next one, protractor. You know protractor. What is the use of protractor? Measuring angles. Another two tools there have. Same tools. One set of tools. What is the name of that tools? Did you remembering that? Did you know what is the name of that tool? What is the name? This is that tool. What is the name? What is the name? Your instrument box have this tool? This is set square. This is set square. What is the shape of this figure? What is the shape of this figure? What is the shape? Triangle. What is the shape? Triangle. How many sides there have? How many sides? Three sides. There have three angles also. How many angles? Three angles also. Okay. This then what is the name of this one set of tools there have? What is the name? Set square. What is the name? Set square. In this lesson, we want to use this tool for drawing triangles and rectangles, squares and some figures. This is the topic of this chapter. That is syllabus of this chapter. Drawing some figures, example triangle, rectangle and squares also using set square. So many figures want to draw. Okay, your textbook have so many activities and how can draw also describe it. Okay, very simple chapter also this. Next one. Now all of you take and listen. What are the numbers they're writing? Some measures there have. Which are the measures? Like your scale. Like your scale 1, 2, 3. That a measure is also right. Okay. Three sides have. You draw that shape in your notebook. Okay. Next one. That your textbook given that instructions how to draw a triangle, rectangle. How can draw a rectangle? That is some works also want to do your notebook using set square. In set square have three angles I told. One figure is, listen your set square, look your set square. One set square is two sides are equal. One set square is two sides are equal. What is the special about that shape? Two sides are equal. What is the measures? What is the measures of each side? That is the measure 45 degree and 45 degree. What is the measure? 45 degree and 45 degree. And top side is 90 degree. Top side is 90 degree. Next one, another set square. Another set square is a one side is a very lengthy side. One set square is a very lengthy side. That is the that is that lengthy side. That side is very lengthy. That is called 30-degree angle. That is the side is a 30-degree angle. 30 degree. That is the 30 degree. Okay. Did you see your geometry box have this model two tools? Take that tools. One tool is this. This is a one lengthy side and one side is a small side. Okay. What is the measure? Listen. What is the measure of this lengthy side? 30 degree. What is the measure? 30 degree. This side is 60 degree. This side is 60 degree. All set square have one angle is a right angle. You know right angle. What do you mean by right angle? What do you mean by right angle? 90-degree angle is called a right angle. You also studied that in 4th class. Okay. This side is a 90-degree angle. This is called a right angle. How many angles have this side? This set square have how many angles? 3 angles. This side 60 degree. This side 30 degree. This side 90 degree. What is the total of the that angles? Total is equal to 180 degree. Next one, listen that another set square. What is so special about this set square? That two sides is equal. Listen your set square same. The top two sides is equal. What is the measure? This side and this side is a 45 degree. This side and this side is a 45 degree. What is the measure of this side? You looking this side. What is the shape of this? What is the shape? L shape. What is the name of that L shape figure? 90 degree. 90-degree angle is called 90-degree angle is called right angle. 90-degree angle is called right angle. Okay. But now you know what is the use of set square? What is the use of set square? Drawing some geometrical figures like a quadrilateral, triangle, triangle, rectangle, and a set square. What are the triangle, rectangle, and square? Want to draw using set square and measuring angles also. That one circle cut into different parts. That also using this set square parts. All of you have instrument box? Okay, I will give some words also related this instrument. Using this instrument, all of you use properly your instruments. Okay, next one is your textbook have so many figures is given. You want to listen that. Next one, look, let's go back our point. What is the our chapter name? When lines join. When lines join. When lines join, what happened that when two lines are joined, when two lines are joined, when two lines are joined, two lines are joined, that time two lines. That two lines are joining time. Two lines are joining time. Then form an angle. Then form an angle. When two lines are joined or meeting a point. When two lines are meeting a point, then form an angle. What do you when form an angle? When form an angle? When two lines are meeting a point, then form an angle. Okay, when form an angle, two lines are meeting at a point, then form an angle. What is the main parts of an angle? What are the main parts of an angle? Arms and a vertex. Which are the main parts? Arms and a vertex. Now I give one name A, B, C. What is the name of this angle? Angle A, B, C. This is the sign of angle. Sign of angle. L shape പോലെ നമ്മൾ ഇടുമ്പോഴാണ് അതിന് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയാ angle എന്നുള്ള ആ ഫിഗർ എന്താ പറയുക sign. Angle ABC. Angle ABC. Which are the arms? Which are the arms? Two parts have. Which are the two parts? Arms and vertex. Arms and vertex. Arms and vertex. Which are the arms? Which are the arms? These two sides are arms, AB and BC. AB and BC. Which are the arms? AB and BC. What is the vertex? What is the vertex? Which point are meeting that two lines? That is called a vertex. Which is the point? Which is the vertex? B. Which is the vertex? B. B is the vertex. That is the point of meeting that two lines. Which are the lines? Which are the lines? AB and BC. There have two lines. Which are the lines? AB and BC. AB and BC. That two lines are meeting one point. Meeting one point. Which are the point? B. That is called vertex. Okay. Which are the, what do you mean by angle? When form an angle? When two lines meeting a point, then form an angle. Which are the main parts of angle? Arms and vertex. Which are the arms? That two lines name. AB and BC. That is the arms. Which is the vertex? That two lines are meeting a point. Which is the point B? That is the vertex. Okay. Next one. Angles are divided in three types. Which are the three types? One angle is 90 degree. That already you studied, only revising. What is a 90 degree angle? Right angle. 90 degree angle is called a right angle. Below 90 degree it is called a acute angle. Above 90 degree is called a obtuse angle. This here no need that, but you study that related angle. That is also want to remembering. That's why I told you already studied these items. Angle, now you study angle. What is angle? When form an angle, what is the main parts of angle? What are the main parts? Arms and vertex. Next one, different types of angle. Very important, three types of angle. Which are the three types of angle? Right angle, 90 degree angle. Below 90 degrees called acute angle. Above 90 degrees called obtuse angle. These are the main three types of angle. Next one, we want to study that one circle, some figures want to draw using set square. Using set square, some different shapes want to draw your notebook. That is the, I will give that a homework. Okay, some figures want to draw. How can use a set square? How can use a set square? Every time you use the set square, this side is the baseline. This side is the baseline. This side is the baseline. After we want to draw a square, we want to draw a square. This side, that 90 degree side, want to use for drawing that opposite sides. Okay, that two sides want to draw the using 90 degree is called 90 degree side want to draw using that drawing square. What is so special about square? All sides are the straight lines. That sides, all sides are straight lines. That's why straight lines. That's why this 90 degree angle side want to use. Okay, we want to draw one rectangle or square. Nizan, how can draw? Draw a rectangle ABCD. Draw a rectangle ABCD. AB is equal to 5 centimeter. BC is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. Rectangle ABCD. We want to draw rectangle ABCD. AB is equal to 5 centimeter. BC is equal to 4 centimeter. How can draw? You take your set square. Which side have that? Your set square have measures also. Okay, take round. Take. Firstly, I draw 5 centimeter. What is the name? A, B. Okay, AB. Next one. What is the next measure? BC. BC how many degree? BC 4 centimeter. How many centimeter? 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. BC. Only two side is given. How can draw? How can draw on that another side? Other side how can draw? What is the special about rectangle? Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. That BC have 4 centimeter. Next one, which number is there? AD. AD also how many centimeter? 4 centimeter. AB also 4 centimeter. Okay. What is the measure of DC? What is the measure of DC? DC 5 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal. How many centimeter AB? That is same measure is DC. Same measure is DC. Okay. I got one rectangle ABCD. How can draw a rectangle ABCD using set square? Using set square, set square that measures have written that side using instead of scale using set square. Firstly, draw one line AB. How many centimeter? 5 centimeter. Next one, which measure is given? BC. BC how many centimeter? How many centimeter? 4 centimeter. After joining BC, we want to easily find out what is the measure of AD. What is the measure of AD? How can get opposite sides? In the case of rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. So that opposite side also 4 centimeter. Next, upper side. How can measure the upper side? Same measure of AB. Same measure is DC. In the case of rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Okay, opposite sides are equal. Some geometry figures want to draw in this chapter. Today, we want to conclude our class. Which is the our chapter name? Today we will discuss which chapter? Chapter 2, when lines are joined. When lines are joined. When two lines are joined or meeting. What happened? When two lines are meeting, what happened? When two lines are meeting, angle form. When two lines are meeting, then when two lines are meeting at a point, then form an angle. Then form an angle. Okay. Next one, which are the main types of angle? Which are the main types of angle? Right angle. How many measure? 90 degree. Above 90, obtuse angle. Below 90, acute angle. Next one, some figures you study. Figures or one shape, some shapes are studied. Okay, I will ask some question. Three-side shape is called a three-side shape triangle. Four-sided quadrilateral. Four-sided quadrilateral. Five-sided pentagon. Five-sided pentagon. Six-sided hexagon. Easy ആണല്ലേ? Six hex അല്ലേ? Six-sided hexagon. Seven-sided septagon. Eight-sided octagon. More than sides are have that shape is called a polygon. What is the name? Polygon. Another one figure you know. There have no side. What is the name of that figure? There have no side. That is the, which is the shape that, you know? What is the name? Circle. Okay, very good. Circle. What is the name? Circle. Circle have no side. One curved figure. Okay. Next one, our geometry box one. One set of tools are introduced now. Which are the what is the name of that tools? Set square. How many angles have? How many angles? 3 angles, 3 sides. What is the measures? What is the angles measure? One set square is 2 side is equal. What is the name? What is the measure? 45 degree. What is the measure? 45 degree. One, the top side, that is a right angle. What is the measure? 90 degree. What is the measure? 90 degree. Next one, another set square we will study. What is the one? Lengthy side. What is the measure of lengthy side? 30 degree. Opposite side 60 degree. Top side is 90 degree. That is sum total of the set square angles measure is 180 degree. Total of angles measure in a set square is 180 degree. Okay, we want to do some other problems or drawing figures using set square in this chapter. That I will give that work through WhatsApp. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Very interesting chapter also this. Okay, we will discuss next class another topic. Bye bye. Thank you.